Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Priyanka Neela Krishnan Show. There with me, Priyanka Neela Krishnan, and this is Enterprise Security Series, episode 23. On today's topic, you can't govern what you can't map. Everyone is buying AI governance. Almost no one has the one thing it stands on. We are here to discover that one thing and uncover what's important to have real AI governance in your organization. Let's get started. Everyone is buying AI governance right now, the platform, the policies, the committee. And almost none of them have the one thing all of that is supposed to stand on. I am Priyanka Neela Krishnan. I am an enterprise data security product leader, author, and speaker. Some of my books include Autonomous Data Security, Jailbreaking LLMs, and Problem Pioneering. I build data security products, and today is about the foundation under AI governance. The part nobody is selling because it is not glamorous, it is a map. Let me paint the scene. A CISO stands up an AI governance program. They buy the platform, they write the policies, they form the committee. Real budget, real intent. 6 months in, someone asks one simple question in a meeting: which of our AI systems can reach regulated customer data and through which identities? And the room goes quiet. Not because they do not have tools, they have plenty. They have a list of their data, a list of their identities, a list of their apps. Three inventories that do not talk to each other: data, identities, applications. Governance was built on lists. The thing is actually needed was a map. Here is a distinction that matters. Data Security Posture Management, DSPM, shows you where sensitive data lives and how it flows. That is the right foundation for AI governance. I'm not knocking it, but most DSPM stops at a list of findings. This table has PII. That bucket is public, useful, but it is only half the picture. The real foundation is not an inventory, it is a graph. Your data connected to the identities that can reach it, connected to the access paths that grant that reach, connected to the AI systems now sitting on top of all of it. Governance is a question about relationships, and you cannot answer a relationship question with a flat list. Why do the stakes sit on the connections and not the list? Look at where breaches actually come from. Verizon's 2026 report found the human element in 62% of breaches. And human element mostly means identity and access. It means someone or something could reach data it should not. IBM puts the average cost of a single data breach at $4.44 million. And the security industry has a name for the thing that causes a lot of them: toxic combinations. A bunch of small individually acceptable risks that chain together into one critical exposure. I repeat, toxic combinations are a bunch of small, individually acceptable risks that chain together into one critical exposure. Let me show you concretely why a list cannot catch this. A data inventory tells you a table holds PII. True. An identity inventory tells you an account exists. Also true. But neither one tells you they are connected. And the risk lives exactly in that connection. A forgotten service account through an inherited group through an overshared folder gives an external contractor a path straight to that PII table. The danger is not any single link, it is the chain. And now AI multiplies the chains. An agent starts using that same service account. A RAG pipeline adds a new path to the same data. The connections grow faster than any list-based process can possibly track. So, here is the whole game. A data posture graph joins three questions that today are usually owned by three different teams. What is the data and how sensitive it is, and who and what can reach it, and how do they reach it? One connected model, not three spreadsheets owned by three organizations. And when those are actually joined, you can finally ask governance questions and get answers. Show me every path from an internet-facing application to regulated data. Next, show me every AI agent that can read financials. Next, show me access nobody has used in 90 days. Those are answerable, but only on a graph. Why now? Because map comes before measure. It always has. NIST AI risk management framework runs on 4 functions: govern, map, measure, manage. Map is second on purpose. You cannot measure or manage a reach you cannot see. And AI made it urgent. Agents and RAG pipelines are new identities and new access paths into the same sensitive data. They are appearing faster than any manual list-based process can follow. You cannot put guardrails around AI's reach into your data until you can actually see that reach. The map is the prerequisite for the policy and not the other way around. 4 moves to build the foundation under your governance program. Number 1, map before you measure. Build the graph first. Data, identities, access. AI systems as one connected model. AI systems, all these 3 things. Not 4 disconnected exports you stitch together in a spreadsheet or something. Number 2, join sensitivity and identity together. Classification without who can reach it's basically half a picture. The 2 belong in one view, not 2 separate tools owned by 2 separate teams. Number 3, hunt the toxic combinations. Stop chasing single findings and start looking for the paths. The chains of individually fine access that add up to a critical exposure no single scan would ever flag. Number 4, keep it live. Access changes daily. AI deployments change daily as well. A map from last quarter is a museum piece. It has to refresh continuously or it's lying to you. Here is the reframe. AI governance is not a policy document. It is not a committee. Those things matter, but they sit on top of something. Underneath every real governance program is one question. Can you see right now every path between your data and the things that can reach it? If you cannot draw that map, you're not governing AI, you're hoping, and hope is not a control. So, here is the one question, and it is the question this whole series has been built around. Can you show me on one screen every path between our most sensitive data and an AI system today? If the answer is no, that is the project. Before the policy, before the committee, before anything. That is the series, at least for this arc. If you have watched all the way through, thank you very much, genuinely. Identity, access, and data are the foundation everything else in AI security stands on, and this is what I really believe in. And now you can see it the way I do. All right, then. This is me, Priyanka Neela Krishnan. I am an enterprise data security product leader, author, and speaker. Some of my books include Autonomous Data Security, Jailbreaking LLMs, Problem Pioneering. All right, stay subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, be happy. This is me, Priyanka Neela Krishnan. This is all my own views and analysis, not representing any employer, current or former. See you then. Bye.